Why do some brake hoses have these two stripes that run perpendicular on the entire length of the hose? Are they racing stripes? No. Barcode? No. These stripes on a replacement brake hose mean two things. First, they indicate the replacement hose conforms to Department of Transportation or DOT requirements for replacement brake hose construction, as outlined in FMV SS 106 and SAE J 1401. Second, these are called torque stripes and can help you to install a brake hose correctly. So let's install it. Every NAPA replacement brake hose has these stripes of at least 1/16 of an inch in width, placed on opposite sides of the brake hose parallel to its longitudinal axis. The stripe can't be twisted. The reason why these front brake hoses are being replaced is due to the cracking seen here. This cracking of the outer layer is caused by the brake's heat and the hose's constant movement. While the hose is not leaking now, the loss of the outer layer can leave the inner core of the line vulnerable to damage. To keep the stripe straight, first screw in the hose at the caliper. If it is a banjo bolt type connection, thread it in loosely. You might have to flip it 180 degrees to get the stripe or a bracket to line up. Next, tighten the connection to the brake line's flared connection. Ensure the clip holding the hose and line to the bracket is tight. Not replacing this clip or leaving it loose can lead to a premature failure. This is why these clips might be included with the brake hose. While the hose will never rust or corrode, the fittings that crimp on can develop corrosion that can cause the fitting to strangle the hose and prevent the hydraulic pressure from reaching the caliper. Taking it to the next level, NAPA uses fully zinc-plated fittings and brackets to withstand the harsh environment inside the wheel wells. This can prevent corrosion from collapsing a hose at the fittings or bracket. This brings up another tip. When removing a brake hose, always use a line wrench. Why? There is less chance of the wrench slipping and damaging the plating on the fitting. It's a good idea to replace both front brake hoses simultaneously. The other side has traveled the same number of miles and stops.